So, guys, in the last lesson, we learned about scientific notation and how to use scientific notation for very large and very small numbers. In this lesson, I want to show you some scientific notation on the calculator. So I have the calculator pulled up here, and I'm going to type in 5.2 times 10. Now, I want to take this to a pretty high power, so I'm going to use this button down here. It's x over y. When I type x over y, then after I type x over y, I can type in a very large power. So, for example, I could start with the power of 3. If I hit equals, notice I get 5,200 because that took the decimal from here and we moved it over 3 times. So that decimal is now 5,200. Now, let's say I have a bigger number than that. So let's say I have 5.2 times 10, the power of 10, and that power of 10 is something crazy like 25. When I hit equals, look what happens. Okay, what you have to notice that happens is right here it has the letter E. That E is just the calculator's way of putting in times 10. So it just means times 10 to the 25th power. The reason that this E is here is simply because the calculator is not big enough to take that many digits. So when that many digits cannot appear, you will always see an E on your calculator. Now, we could also do this if it were a small number, a very small number, like 6.3 times 10. And instead of the power of 10 this time, we're going to do a power of 10 as a negative, and we're going to put negative 24. Let's just do negative 24. Okay, let's go back again. Okay, and notice that, again, it was too big to fit on the calculator, so therefore that E appears. E is just the calculator's way of saying times 10.